So here's a look at the gardening products that DAISO has this year, at least at this location. DAISO is a Japanese dollar store similar to Dollar Tree, and if an item doesn't have a price on it, then it's $1.75. And if it does, there's a conversion chart to tell you what the price is. So they have shade netting, bug prevention netting, hoop greenhouse fabric, and shade cloth, different types of bird netting in different sizes, wind netting in different sizes, and they have like these cat repellers that you could probably use indoors and out, and even cut it down for certain plants that your cats just can't help but get into. And I'm wondering if they would work for squirrels too. So here's the conversion chart, and behind it they have base netting sheets that you put at the bottom of a pot, and they have all different types of wire, plant ties, plant tags, plant tape, plant hooks, and a string trellis. They have all different types of gardening tools. Some I've never even seen before, so I can't really tell you what they are. They have plant stakes, and I've seen that different locations have different sizes. I found that out on YouTube through other videos. But the tools they have different types of shears, which I wish I would have gotten the little bud cutting shears. And I've seen people use this watering container for cacti and succulents. They have more plant ties. They have all different types of pots, all different sizes. And I love like these tall cylinder types. Here's another tool of some kind, a sprinkler, more tools, different types of hanging baskets, more plant ties, and garden picks, knee pads for the garden. They're a good size too. And this is a long handle watering pail, and there's a hanging basket chain right next to it. At least I think that's what that is. They have different types of gardening shovels and more pots, and pot saucers and more pots. There's the coconut coir hanging basket lining, decorative wire fencing, and I'm telling y'all, they got a lot of pots with good drainage holes too. I wanted to get some, but I have a different vision for that. Now, I've been looking for a hygrometer to measure the humidity level around my plants, and they have different thermometers and clocks, and this I found in the laundry section, and it just has the temperature and humidity level, but in the home section, they have different types of clocks with the date, time, and temperature and humidity level. These tweezers I found in the craft DIY section, and they'd be good for terrariums and things like that. And they have different types of plastic decorative garden edgers and watering cans and buckets. And they have a good size selection of different types of gloves. I thought I saw like a touch style in somebody else's video, so you can use your phone while you have gloves on. If you've tried to use your phone with gloves on, it doesn't work. Well, not for me. I didn't see them here, but they have like this little non-woven stain prevention jacket that I thought was kind of interesting. They have arm covers, which I think would be extremely useful while in the garden. They have these artificial square grass mats. They have biodegradable pots, different styles of clay pots, and this is a drain board. Not entirely sure of its use outside of the obvious name of the thing, but I think that if you like terracotta and you have a DAISO near you, get the big terracotta pots here since they're cheaper than at other stores, and the 3-pack of the 3 to 3.5 inch terracotta pots, because there's one more in the pack than at Dollar Tree. They have these wood pallet things. I don't know. I'm sure you'd find something for it, but they have more pots. I'm telling you, I'm potted out. But they have these mini wood burn flower stands, packs of small black starter pots for plants, biodegradable seed starting trays. Again, more pots and planters. They're everywhere. And they also have some mini sieves for sifting coarse material. So I ended up getting these long tweezers from the like craft section with the yarn and stuff like that, because I do keep things in water bottles like this, and I need to, I don't always want to open it up to get it out. Usually I would have to open it from right here. I don't like doing that. I also got this light shielding net that looks like it's supposed to go over a hooped greenhouse, and does have little holes on each corner to stake it down. I should have gotten the other one that I showed y'all too, but that's okay. The shading rate is 75%, which would be good because the plants that I keep in full sun, it's just too intense. And I also got this digital clock, not for the clock, but for the thermometer and the hygrometer. I wanted to experiment with humidity trays, and I want to see what the percentage level of humidity my plants like under, oh, I thought this would be smaller, that I keep under glass would be like. I just want to test all that stuff out. So, oh, this is the stand. Oh, gotta put why didn't I get a battery? I do have a battery. Got these from Dollar Tree like a while ago. I knew I would need them. Oh wait, there's one in there. What? You don't have to replace the battery. You just got to take the little plastic thing out. I was about to say. But yeah, this is all I got. If you have a store in your area, you should look it up. If you do, go check it out. The gardening section is really cool. You might have a bigger section than I do. I've seen other videos on YouTube, and some other stores have greater selections than the one that I went to.